there anything top I can dragon?
My ultimate is almost ready.
I think there's one.
Go! My god, I headshot him through! I'm insane. He just says okay.
Monkey's in the back. Come back as this, yeah.
Nice to meet you. We'll come below store.
Pretty sure this guy already has grab. I should try and grab this side. Actually, wait a second. Let's try this. What? It shattered! Dude, that's happened twice now. Just kidding. Wait. He calculated. What happened? I got shot.
Nice, 2 for 2, 2 for 2!
4.
2 for 3! Yo, fuck you.
What? I killed the 2 people. I know. I like it. I have no
Yo, get you to something.
Okay.
There is a fucking sun here.
I'm gonna take matters into my own hands.
Good. I killed them all.
I'm gonna kill them all.
They're so easy. Nice. Go for it. Go. Nice. I'm going on. Nice.
Yeah, I don't fucking need you guys.
Ow.
There we go.
Oh my god, I'm literally just the best player in the fucking world, dude. Oh god, it's surreal, man. Alright, back to fucking Hammond. This shit's too Resident Sleeper. What the hell?
Is he human?
Yeah, back to Hammond. This shit's too easy.
Shadow burn. Jesus. Fucked.
암살 브리스 공격기가 준비된다. 공격하면 바로 투여하지.
제가 죽어요. 적을 제자.
도망갔다 나
curious. Are you gonna hit anything, Dragon, before I swap to Reaper? I'm fucking dominating!
Wait for Ryan.
Okay, I have a 100 that are.
Oh wow, that was fast. Okay, somebody else on I can stand up breaking turret. Everyone here? Yep. We're on side.
Our behind!
Got him.
Hold. I can. Oh,
Holy crap, sorry, you're insane. Oh my god. That's active and nothing thing.
I got 2 got 3. Oh no, so good over my dude. Farm.
J'aime bien quand il y a de la grosse digue là,
Il est un autre front. Watch out for the pin.
Well, good run, chat.
They were waiting to shield bash. No, look, he re-chat. He said, like, I knew. He was trying to shield bash fucking shatter me.
Who's paying you, dude? Who's paying you?
Oh my god, man on me right now, you big pussy. Oh my
Get off.
It's just leaving.
Oh shit!
Monkey one.
Dude, shit! I thought I had my ult. Okay, what the fuck?
The Ryan's coming with a slam.
That's okay. I'm just gonna get ulted on point, and then... How did... Cause someone...
This ain't a one over here.
Yo, big slam. Oh yeah.
Did anyone clip that?
We won't talk about that.
How did my grab go behind me to the right?
Why don't girls like you? Maybe because you sit at the computer and you donate the $3 to a guy that washes himself once a week.
Oh no! Oh god! I'm so bad! Oh! Oh, later, bitch. Oh.
Wait, what? It broke! My shield broke!
I got it. Sorry.
How did it break? Can anyone tell me?
What the fuck? He died from the stake. He's so confused. What the fuck?
Watch this. Actually, don't watch this. Okay, that's my fault. I try to be creative once. Normally my dick is like this big. Every day they were close to Black Ops. Boom, 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 boom. And tomorrow, dude. Bow! Dude, ba-ba-bang! Ba-ba-bang! What the fuck? Ba-ba-bang! Ba-ba-bang! Dude, I need like a fucking tube between that shit, dude. That's bad.